how to see Discord servers you have left earlier. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Discord server that you have left in the past. So for that, just open your Discord account, and after that just click on the any of the server that you want to leave. For example, I want to leave this particular server right here. So just click on the three dot icon from the top and then just scroll up, and when you scroll up you will see this option called leave server. So just click on it, and after that just click on this plus icon from the left and scroll up and just click on join a server. And here on this particular, you have to paste the link of the particular channel or the server that you have left in the past, and then you will be able to see that particular server in your account. So this is how you will be able to see Discord server that you have left in the past. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.